Hi everyone, welcome to video 3. In the previous video we created a program in TSAssist based on a work coordinate system that we created in the first video using the Teach Pendant. We've created the program in TSAssist, we've downloaded it to the robot. Now let's call it up on the Teach Pendant and run it to show you what the program is actually doing. So we've set the program using TSAssist. We're now on the Teach Pendant, we're going to call up that program. So we're going to select. We're going to scroll down our list so we can find that program, WRK. Our program is selected. I've got things moving nice and slow. We're at 5% speed, so we'll keep things nice and slow just in case we've made a mistake. I'll switch the view here to the robot. We're going to turn the servo on. Now if you recall, our program was very basic. We're just going to move to point 1 and then we're going to move to point 2. You can see that on the Teach Pendant here, we've got our work program selected, 5% speed, servo is on. We're just going to go to line display. We're not running yet, but you can see the program very basic. Move to P1 with work equals 1, move to P2 with work equals 1. P1 and P2 are the 2 points on the box, P1 being in the middle of the box, P2 being closer to the edge on the left side of the screen. So the servo is on, we're going to run our program. And you can see we're going to move to P1. And then we're going to move to P2. We're going to move back to P1 because we're going to loop our program and go to P2. Now where this becomes really clever is we can now change that work 1 coordinate space and without having to reteach P1 and P2. So I'm just going to stop the program by letting go of the dead man switch. Back to the Teach Pendant here. We're going to do a de-edit. We're going to select our program. Now we're going to go to that trans menu again. That's where our different coordinate spaces are. We're going to go to W1, highlight that. Press execute. There was our previous one. Let's move W1 and teach a new space. So I'm going to jump up and we're going to move W1. And let's teach that new coordinate system. So on the Teach Pendant, first thing we're going to do, we're going to do teach. We're going to use the 3-point method. And we need to go to the origin again. So servo on. We're going to jog the robot to the origin. Once we're aligned, we're going to press the execute button. So we're aligned at the origin, we're going to press execute. It's now asking for the direction, so we're going to go in the X plus direction again and move to a point along that plane. So we're just going to go up a little ways here. And align to that plane. So there's our X plus direction. So with that point aligned, we're going to press execute. And now it's looking for the plane, something on the Y plus direction. So let's move to the edge of the Y plus. And anywhere along that edge is going to be fine. We're along that edge, so we're going to press execute. And now we have our new work 1 coordinate system taught. We're going to save that, press execute. So now, without any other changes, when we go to run our program, When we watch that, we should now move to P1 and then P2. P1 and P2. So that's a really quick example of how to set up workspaces in the robot coordinate systems. Check out some more videos on our YouTube channel to see more. We'll talk to you again next time.